What's going on, my good people? Mike Hidalgo here. Thank you for joining me on another FCP Euro DIY. Today we're going to be working on a 2008 Mini Cooper S R56. Today on the Mini behind me, we're going to be covering how to replace your windshield wiper blades. This will be the same process for any R56 and any R53 Mini Cooper. They're pretty much all the same idea. In front of us, we have one of the options available on fcpro.com, which is the Vallejo OE wiper blades. It comes with both the left and the right side, and they are two different sizes, the shorter one being the driver's side and the longer one being on the passenger side. These are going to be pretty straightforward to install. Tools today are just going to be our little hands. So with that, let's go ahead and get started on this DIY. All right, my good people, we are over at the R56. A couple things, just be mindful when you're doing wiper blades on any vehicle. Usually these arms are spring loaded. If you're worried about the arm slamming back on the glass and cracking the glass, lay a towel down or maybe something just nice and thick like a yoga mat if you're worried about that happening to you, especially if it's your first time doing wiper blades. Sometimes you'll find, depending on the aftermarket blade that may be on your car currently, they have these little covers that kind of help lock them in. Pop these open. Sometimes they can be a little bit tough. If they are very hard to get, use a small flathead screwdriver. And they're all going to be a little bit different when it comes to releasing. These ones just release straight back. The cover is really what holds them in. Our new Vallejo units are going to go on in a similar fashion, but you'll notice that these have two little tabs at the bottom. When it comes time to remove these in the future, you're going to push down on these to eject the blade out, and then you can slide it out just like we did on the new one. So now to feed it in, we're going to feed this part of the wiper arm into this forward channel on the blade, just like so. So you're basically almost sticking it all the way through, and then you just loop it over and forward until they click. So let's say your car did not have these clip-on style wiper blades. Maybe you had something like this. Then in that case, you would push down on these tabs and then work the wiper blade off and take it off all the way. So pretty straightforward. We're going to go ahead and set that one down. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Same thing here. We're going to lift up this cover, which this one's already halfway off. Slide them off. Take our new wiper blade, slide it through the arm, engage it all the way forward, and back down on the windshield, my good people. And that's going to be it. If you're doing the rear wiper blade as well, it's going to be pretty much the same process. Otherwise, that's going to conclude our DIY for today. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments on what we did today, leave those in the comment section below. And if you like this DIY and you want to see more like them, please consider subscribing. We make new ones all the time. Something as simple as a windshield wiper blade replacement to a whole clutch or cylinder head replacement. As always, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.